Arrays are fixed-length sequences that hold elements of the same type. They are declared using square brackets and the size in between. This example creates an array that can hold 5 integers. On the other hand, slices are dynamically sized sequences that can grow or shrink. You can create a slice using the make function or by slicing an existing array. To access elements in an array or a slice, you can use the index inside square brackets, just like other programming languages. Remember, Go is 0-indexed, meaning the first element is at index 0. In this example, we use the make function to create a slice called mySlice of type int with a length of 5. We then assign values to each element of the slice. Finally, we print the contents of the slice, its length, and its capacity. You can also iterate over arrays and slices using the for loop. Just use the range keyword to access the index and the value of each element. Need to add or remove elements in a slice? No problem. Go provides the append function to add elements at the end of a slice and the slicing syntax to remove elements. One more thing, when passing arrays or slices to functions, they are passed by value, which means the function gets its own copy. So be mindful of performance implications.